Okay, so we're repotting this Ylang Ylang tree, and I filled the bottom with my soil mix, and now I'm filling in the sides. Now, a lot of people just pack a little in there and then they're done, but what I do, and this is my super secret trick, take a stick, take one of your support rods, get in there, and just, you're not tamping, you're just settling the soil all the way around. This is going to create air channels later on for water and air to travel through too. We're going to go all the way around. As you can see, the dirt's settling. The dirt is settling very nice. And then I'm going to grab it and drop it. There. Okay, dropped an inch. So there you have it. Now I'm going to fill the rest of it in with dirt. And then we'll take a look at the root ball under this Ylang Ylang tree. There we go. And we're rocking it. Now we're going to pick it up and pull it out. And we're pushing up on the bottom. Pull down on those nice hydroponic holes. There we go. Now, in Florida, centipedes are a good thing. These guys are doing the work of the earthworms. And as you can see here, we're good on the bottom. There's nobody's growing circular. We're just gonna loosen that up a little bit. We're gonna take our, I don't wanna stab the soil too much. It feels nice and loose in there, see? So I'm just gonna set that back down in here with my little centipedes. I'm actually very pleased to see that. If I hadn't read up on my Florida guide, I would have been freaking out. There we go. One repotted Ylang Ylang tree. And me.